In no particular order of importance, I'm going to show you the top 5 things not to do with this here. Based on personal experience, and some of these are going to make me die a little bit inside by doing them, but here we go. So you got the smart side of your tape measure. Your helper has the dumb side. Haha, so clever. Actually, the only stupid side of this tool is the person that gives it to their helper and expects to know the proper etiquette without training them. This is probably the most used tool on your job, whether you like it or not, and it deserves the most respect. So let's get into it. Number 1. It's fully extended, and your helper or you let it go, and it slams back in there. That is so bad in so many ways. It bends this out, it changes the measurement. That's actually why woodworking, you'll see these before you'll see one of these, because these are self-explanatory, that's why. Number 2, instead of somebody bending this up like this, like it's intended to, somebody bends it down. Yeah, that, just listen to that. It's so bad. Number 3, this is extended on the floor and somebody walks on it and just Number 4, I don't know how somebody does this, but apparently it happens. Number 5, this gets extended too far out, and no matter what you try, this screw is forever screwed. Get it? Ha 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 ha. Sorry about that joke. Thanks for watching.